pals, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you every single thing that I am going to be making, designing, redesigning, remaking from literally next week all the way until the end of the year. So I bought a huge Joann's yarn order before all of the shenanigans was going down, like the week before everything was announced. And it came in and it was all of my yarn for everything I had planned. And then I had some yarn from my stash that I'm also using. So I wanted to go over everything with you, show you all the pattern like concepts and ideas and the yarn. And yeah, I'm really excited to hear what you have to think. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts on all these patterns. I'm super excited about them. Most of them have like sketches drawn out, so I'll show you those too. And if they don't, use your imagination and you'll see it when it comes out. But yeah, let's get into what is coming literally next week. Okay, so our first pattern is one that's coming out, like I said, next Saturday. I'm so excited. This is my patchwork scarf. So this is made by using 30 different bonbons, or like those little itty bitty mini skeins. I got them from Hobby myself. You could use like scrap yarn or whatever you wanted to. I just had a ton of points left like in my account, and so I got 3 boxes of 10 for free and made this scarf. But it's like super cute, super cozy. I love it. I wear it everywhere. I get tons of compliments on it. So yeah, this will be a free pattern up on my blog next Saturday, and yeah, I hope you make it and then tag me in all of it. I'm pretty obsessed with it, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so I have it all written down on what, like in order, what we're doing. So the next thing that I'm working on, this will be coming out in April. I'm doing a redesign of my lakeside dress. I'll put a picture up of it. It's a lakeside cover up, lakeside dress, whatever. I'm making like the 17th millionth sample, but I'm redoing it in like a new yarn. And so this is made with Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton. So we've got this, and I've got all of this. So this is what I have left. I'm almost done with it. I just need to finish one of the panels and seaming it and then make the belts. There will be a tutorial out on how to make 2 different belts for it and how to make the dress itself. Super customizable. It'll, like, you can make it to fit whatever size you want. But yeah, this one is coming back out in April, and I'm super excited to relaunch this one out to everybody. It was one of my like most popular patterns when I released, I think it was 2019. So I'm really stoked about that one. And then the next pattern I'm working on is another redesign. This is my retro top. Hold on, where did I put it? Oh, it's under this project. Ah, I told you there's a lot of yarn. So this is a little sneak peek of it. So these are the first 2 panels. It's made with 2 panels and then they're seamed together. And then you have a shirt. So this is the concept of it. I'm still working on seaming them together, but this is the yarn that I'm using. It's Big Twist Joann brand yarn. So you could use like any worsted weight would be fine with it. I'm using an acrylic because then I can toss it in the washer and dryer and it'll be fine. But yeah, this one is also a redesign. This one's super customizable as well. Will fit anybody's size that you want, and I'll have some like little tidbits in there for you on how to like really modify it to fit your size. But yeah, I'm super stoked. So this one comes out in May, and then my next design, I don't have, maybe I have a picture. If I have a picture, I'll put it up here. I might actually. It's called the No Pearls Allowed shirt. So this is the first thing I ever knit on my own without a pattern, and I kind of fell in love with it. It's literally just like a top-down raglan with no purling whatsoever. You knit on the sleeves and that's it. Like it's super cute, it's super great. And so I'm using the mandala yarn in Warlock, right? This is Warlock, yeah, Warlock. To make it. I'm pretty sure this is the same yarn that I used in the sample. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, these are the 2 skeins that I'll be using because it's like super yarn friendly, I guess. It like doesn't use a ton of yarn. So I really like this one. This one's super fun. So that is the pattern coming in June, and then in July, I haven't taken these out of the bag yet. Ikora's like running around behind, so if you hear little jingle bells, that is her. So in July, so last year, 2 years ago, I made, it's like a big square blanket, like a lap blanket. And then I designed it so it would like cinch up and you could carry it like a bag and put stuff in it. And then when you get to wherever you're going, you can open it up and lay it all out. And I think it was Mama in a Stitch made one like a long time ago. It was this really pretty, beautiful circle one. But I wanted it a little bit smaller. I wanted it to be square-ish. I wanted it to be a little thicker. So I like, obviously it's not the same thing. So I like completely changed every single thing about it and made my own. But this is the yarn that I'm using for it. It is the Mandala Ombre yarn, and this is in Tranquil. So I'm really, really excited to get started on this one. And then I also have a knit version that I've made as well. So if this one is well received and people want a knit version, I will also make that one too. Because it's a similar concept, and they're so cool to have like these little blanket bags to take with you when you go to the park, or when you go like, and literally anywhere that you're gonna want to sit down that you don't want to sit on without, hi Ikora, without something underneath you. Plus it's a cute little bag. So yeah, so this is the yarn that I'm using for that one, and that one comes out in July. And then I have a sample part of it somewhere. I don't know where it all is, but it's my checkered cardigan. So I think I'll put up the picture of the piece that I have made so far. It's just being made with this big twist yarn in black and white. It's going to be a full length checkered on the front, and then on the back of it, it'll be, well, you'll have to wait and see. And then the sleeves are going to be cool too. So that one is coming out in August. I will need testers for that, probably starting in April. So if you want to do any pattern testing for me, just let me know. I can send you the Discord link and have you join my Discord. That's where I do all of my pattern testing. So that way, it's way easier to get a hold of me that way. It's super easy to ask questions, and then you're not waiting for email responses. And yeah, so if you want a pattern test, let me know and I'll send you the Discord link. Sick. Okay, anyway, so that's my checkered cardigan pattern. And then, I also have a design. I don't know if I have any of these pictures. I made a skater skirt. If there's a picture, it's gonna go up here. I made a skater skirt. I loved it. It has like little overall strap things with it. And so I'm making it in this mandala yarn troll. And like, I'm obsessed with how different these are. So this is really going to create such a super interesting like color change. I don't even know. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to like really get going on this one. But we're doing a skater skirt. I'm super excited about this one. This is going to be customizable for length as well as like your hips, as if you want to do it at your hips, if you want to do it at your waist, and then how long you want to make it before you start the bottom. It's all the way customizable, because I hate not being able to make something fit me. So we're doing that too. But yeah, so this one is in September, and then October, we have this box, and this is all of my yarn. I'm making a mushroom capelet with a mushroom dress. So the dress is going to be this cute tan color, and then the mushroom cape will go over top, and it'll be red and white for your little capelet. I don't know how many times I can say that word in a sentence, but I said it a bunch. But yeah, this is also the Joanne Big Twist yarn as well, and that one is coming in October. So that'll be like a two-for pattern, because it'll be the dress and then it'll be the capelet. So I'm probably gonna publish those like on separate weeks. And then in November, we have a poncho coming out. So I can show you the start of it. Well, this is like the swatch of it, but this is the concept. This is Hobby's Manana yarn. I use this to make my Apollo cardigan. That's a free pattern over on my blog. But I'm using this to make this poncho. I think it's gonna be super, super cute. I'm really excited about it. And then the other project that I'm working on, is a knit scarf. This one's in December, but I wanted to start making it now because it's for my partner, so I wanted to like hurry up and do it because I think it's cute. But I'm using Lion Brand Thick and Quick, and this is an oil slick. So this is kind of what it looks like. And this is a knit pattern. But yeah, so that's the concept for that one. That one's coming out in December. And like I said, if there's any, if I have any like sketches of stuff that isn't like pictured, I'll try and put those up here too. And then I wanted to also go over some of my other projects that I got in this yarn order. So right now I also have my temperature blanket going on. This is a free pattern. I've already got it up on my blog, but it's upside down. This is what we've got so far on it. So this is the temperature blanket, and then this is all of the yarn for the temperature blanket. And if you want to know my like template and like all of that, it's all up on my blog on sambartley.com. And then I also have my first ever knit cardigan that I'm working on. This is not my pattern. This is Barley and Flax's pattern, but this is the rom-com cardi. And it's the first time I've ever knit cables too. So I'm really excited, pretty proud of it. Working on that, and then I just started on the front panels. So hopefully I can get one of those done this week. That is my goal right now. So I have a ton of that yarn. And those are my ongoing projects. And then I did get some other yarns. So I got like 12 skeins of the non-binary yarn, so I'm gonna make a cardigan out of this for sure. I don't know how much yarn I'll have left after that because I think I'm gonna make it like right past my butt length and then have pockets, and I think it's gonna be like a full-length cardigan. I got this yarn, and then I also got these 5 skeins of yarn. And I don't know what to make with these yet. I made a cardigan out of this exact yarn before, Granny Square cardigan, but I don't know, should I make like a dress? Would that be rad? Like a tank top dress, or like a triangle bralette type dress? I don't know. Like, let me know what you think I should make with this. This is Lion Brand Ice Cream in the color Ube. So yeah, let me know what I should make with this one because I don't know. But I think that's everything, y'all. Those are all of my projects that I have yarn for in this general vicinity of my apartment. I have some other projects coming out. I've got my Jenny shawl, putting a picture of that up here. That one is coming out in April. I have a Kindle knit pouch that's also going to be coming out whenever I decide to get that written. And then I have a capelet coming out at some point in time, but I don't know when, and I don't know if I can tell you that technically I'm making it. But anyway, those are all the projects that I have, all of my yarn from my yarn order. And yeah, if you have any questions or want to know any more information, just let me know. And if not, I'll see you next week.